Hey friends, if the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now there could be a lot of reasons. The router doesn't support the network, the computer doesn't support the network, both of them support the network but the drivers are not updated. So here's what we can do to resolve this problem. First of all, check the router hardware. Is it a primitive router? Does it even support the 5 GHz band? Because cheaper routers do not. Then the next approach will be to type a command which is netsh space wlan space show space drivers. Copy it, search for command prompt, open the normal command prompt, paste it here and hit enter. Now it will show the radio types here. Okay, radio type supported. So does it support 802.11n, AC and AX? If these three are supported, then you should be getting the 5G network. But in another system that I have, these three are not supported. Next one is to update drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on this one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And lastly, run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.